to Yes to Health. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you are safe in your house and you are taking good care of yourself by eating healthy, lot of fruits and vegetables and whole grains in your diet. So, as we all know, the second wave of COVID is all around us, and so many people are falling sick. It's creating havoc in our life. People are confused, what to do. So you have to eat healthy and you have to maintain good health. Eat a lot of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, ghar ka khana, vegetarian food all the time to maintain your health. But despite of that, if you fall sick, it's a diet which I am got some diet for you, so which you can include in your routine, and so that you stay strong during that time. Even when you have this flu, you can keep yourself strong, healthy. You can fight against it, and you have a nice immunity. So the first is morning drink. Morning drink is very important. When you get up in the morning, what do you have first thing in the morning? So I suggest we have lemon juice. So with lemon juice in warm water, you can have cinnamon, quarter spoon of cinnamon, a pinch of haldi and chia seeds. Lemon juice, as we know, is good for your immunity. It has vitamin C, very alkaline in nature, and cinnamon and haldi are antiviral in nature, anti-inflammatory in nature. And omega and chia seeds, as we all know, it has good omega-3, good fat in it. So it has been starting. It creates a good balance in your body. Now for breakfast, whatever breakfast you are doing it, like poha, upma. You can have idli, dosa, and even you can have some light, easily digestible food you have to eat. So include that. And after breakfast, you must have some herbal tea. It is very important to have some drink with your food. So when you have your breakfast, you can have herbal tea. Herbal tea you can prepare with ginger, boiled ginger in a cup of water. Ginger, you can put tulsi leaf, mint leaf, and any herbs you can just boil, and you can put some jaggery in it for the taste, and you can have it after your breakfast. Now comes the lunch. Whatever lunch you are having, your lunch should be easily digestible lunch, which does not put burden on your body. As it is, when you are fighting against the flu, your body is undergoing through so much of pressure, and you don't want to put too much of pressure in your body by eating very heavy food. So eat easily digestible food, what you are eating, like vegetables, lot of vegetables, dal, chapati. Eat variations of chapati, jowar ka chapati, bajra and ragi chapati. Include them in your diet, and make sure that you're having leafy green vegetables in your lunch. Leafy green vegetables like palak and methi. Methi though is not in this season, but you can include palak in your lunch every day. Palak, as we all know, has nitric oxide which produces nitrates in our body, and it is very good to fight against the flu. It helps in fighting against the flu. So include leafy green vegetables every day in your diet, and make sure that you have buttermilk with your lunch. Buttermilk is like it creates a good gut flora in your body. When you have a good gut flora, so your digestion is easy, you don't have gas problem, you don't have cramps, no bloating. So include buttermilk in your diet, and we must include tablespoon of ghee in our routine. Whatever way you are eating, whatever way you want to have ghee, you have to put it in your food, your chapati, dal, or you want to have it just as it is. Ghee is first thing, it helps in the digestion of the food. It helps in creating a good gut health, good gut bacteria in our system, and so include ghee in your diet. Then comes the evening snacks. In evening you can have nuts, you can have puffed rice, you can have popcorn, you can have any fruit you can have. So groundnut you can have. So when you're having nuts, try to have soaked nuts, because when you soak nuts, they are easily digestible in your system. So soak groundnuts, almonds, and then eat. So it does not strain your body, it does not put stress on your digestive system. Then comes your dinner. Take your dinner as light as possible. So you can have soup in your dinner, any varieties of soup you can have, like mushroom soup, vegetable soup, dal soup. With soup you can have that crisp chapati like khakra, or some other variations of chapati you can include. You can have khichdi in your dinner. Khichdi is very good for your health. And you can include kadhi chawal. Kadhi chawal is also very easily digestible. So include these easily and digestible food in your dinner, and dinner should be light. And after dinner, before going to bed, it's very important that you take a cup of warm turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, according to Ayurveda, has the greatest ojas. What is ojas? It gives you energy to your body to digest food nicely, and at the same time it induces sleep. When you sleep well, your hormones come to the working, to the optimal working. And when your hormones are working nicely, your overall system is in balance. So include that turmeric milk before sleeping, and so that when you sleep well, your hormones are balanced and they work optimally. And you all know importance of hormones in your metabolism, how important role hormones play in your metabolism. So it's very important that you take good rest, plus certain pranayam. In pranayam, it is Brahmari. Brahmari, creates environment in your that certain kind of vibrations in your body that is not suitable for the virus. So include Brahmari. It is very good. How Brahmari is done? You just inhale. Sit in a cross-leg comfortable position. You inhale deep and just close your mouth and just produce humming sound. Long exhale. Like this. So you can do it anywhere. Do it at least 10 times in a day. Wherever you are sitting, make sure when you are doing it, your spine is straight and you are sitting comfortably in this erect position. So Brahmari you can do. Anulom Vilom is also very effective. Anulom Vilom is you inhale through the first, exhale out completely from the left nostril, inhale through the left nostril, hold, and exhale through the right nostril. Then inhale through the right nostril, hold, and exhale through the left nostril. Just do this for at least 5 minutes every day. So these are two pranayama, very effective in will help you in fighting against this virus. So these are the few tips by me. If you follow these tips, include them in your diet. If you have a flu, and even when you don't have a flu, you can include these diet. This diet is you can include it anytime. So stay healthy and take good care of yourself. Eat healthy, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and take care of yourself. Stay at home. Namaste.